Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM, alongside Naga and Valley-based civil society organizations, visited Zet Choro, Wangli Bazar and Namli in Kamjong district to take stock of the situation and to distribute relief materials. The groups also provided medical supplies donated by the Manipur Chemist and Druggist Association. Notably, the three villages came under attack by an alleged combined force of the People's Defense Force (PDF) and the Kuki National Army (B) on May 7, resulting in the burning and damaging of many houses. Speaking to media on the sidelines, IPFM advisor Assam Kasar alleged that the coordinated nature of the raid is an open secret to all and expressed frustration over the lack of government intervention. He questioned how residents can survive when neither the center nor state governments have implemented security measures. Meanwhile, Amuco advisor P. Deben strongly opposed Home Minister Govindas Konthauzam's claim that no external aggression occurred and called on the government to conduct a thorough investigation into the case. On the other hand, Kakakul village chief Yuhongyu highlighted the irony of plans for developing an international trade center in a village that still lacks basic electricity, mobile connectivity, schools, and healthcare facilities.
Ngasi border akhoi Kamjong gi Tangkhul na taba mafamda sigumba market mai thadopi khiba adusu mapandi gi laraga external aggression gi thong chatharaga tawba kanda state government na karimata thabak lokhatadana dum leiba haibase akhoi yamna masi pende nungaite hojik khunja singse yamna wana kaino oina lei state government na ngasi phobada karimata thabak paikhataba haibase akhoi tasengna yaningde aduna mase government na athubada thabak paikhatpiu madu paikhataba tarade akhoi na su Konjang kaya tongan ba legal digi amadigi government gi mathakta akhoi blame tawgani akhoi fix tawgani aduna masigi accountability transparency punamakse government na pigadabani masi state government na responsible logadabani aduna masi external aggression ni haibase government na declare tawgadabani
Manipur ki Home Minister na si mapan ki aggression yaude madugi report lakte na haiba wafam se masi mafam sidai sida network phangdaba aduga mai phangdaba sigumba mafam sidai sida adugi khudong chaba loraganda achumbo wafam singje namjala thambase masi su akhoi strongly condemn tawe masi ki evidence lai laite na haiba posidi sport ta magi lairiba tongan ba IB gi oibe ai CID gi police ki mayam report singsi yumpham oraganda haigadamni karigino Manipur gi ngam khai ngai ba sigumba Choro hariba kunsigi asok yamna tamthiba mi se lairanu haibagi phibamda takthokpa sidai Manipur government yauna aduga tongan ba India gi policy ma lairabra haibase aikoida achoba chingnaba ma laire Burma border dagi lanchal laiba tawraiba mayam singase Manipur government na kaimta thawa sadre sida lairiba mi singche chatkigera manghigera noi thokpa lairo haibaga chap mane adu sigumba sidi Manipur government tawhaningde Manipur miyam gi damakta Manipur government laitre na aikoina lawe
Ekoina labor Assam Plain Highway border pillar number 93 ki manakta lebani masi border sida 2023 dagi hauna di kapo gi manung da su makoi sason munnabgi democracy ga yamna hojik su land lo sin bangam da gi koi transport import to the wat padigi koi si chanangai thakngai su lo su su ba ya da ba chanangai thakngai su leida na khungkang border line da pan ba koi mayam si yam wana labor sida ngasi oza khoina khoi award pakari leibra haina mateng piba ga loina na khoina visit tawgi makta nungai phong dok sari thank you